Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an add me link for your WhatsApp business or your WhatsApp. So I think most of you people think this feature is being limited to only WhatsApp business, but then in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a WhatsApp add me link for your real WhatsApp as well. So in this video we'll be using a URL method. So I'll be pasting the URL in this video description. So you just need to copy it and then add your phone number and you're good to go. So now let's hop on a different page and let me show you guys how you can do this. So I think when you grasp the method, you can do this by yourself too as well. So now let's come to this page. So I think I mostly forget this URL, so I made AI to write it back for me once again. So now I paste it and you can see the phone number here. You just have to clear the phone number. And then one trick is always do all to add your country code so it can be found easily. So I'm in Ghana right now, so it's 233. If you're in Nigeria, it's 234. If you're in the US or any state, you can use your, I think it's a state code, something like that. So 556. Good, and I sent. So I get the link. So you just need to copy the link. But here, I'm not going to copy it. I'm just going to tap on the link here for you guys to see. This is a tutorial something. So it loads like an API, just like I said, it's a URL. So redirect. So you see, I'll be choosing WhatsApp business because this number is registered on real WhatsApp. So I'm choosing just once. It's going to load something like this. Good to go, and you can see it here. So that's it on how you can create an add me link for your real WhatsApp. That's it. So kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. And just like I said, I'll be dropping this code or URL in this video description, so you guys should copy it and then add your phone number and you're good to go. So that's it for now. Peace.